Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check if someone viewed your Instagram profile. So guys, if you want to check if someone viewed your Instagram profile, here I will give you two ways to check it. So guys, the first way is that you have to simply tap on story from here, and then you have to simply add a story to your Instagram profile. So guys, here you can see this. You have to simply add a story to your Instagram profile, and if you tap on activity button from here, you will be able to see the people who viewed your profile or your story from here. So guys, you can see this. You can see all the people who viewed your profile or the story. So guys, this is the first way, and the second way is that you have to simply go back to your home screen, and now you have to open the settings or your profile, and then tap on three lines button for settings. And once you are here, you have to simply scroll it below, and you have to go to professional mode from here. So guys, you have to simply go to account type. Here it is, and now you have to simply tap on switch to professional account, and from here you have to simply make your Instagram account a professional account. So guys, you can see this. You have to simply tap on next button, and you have to simply follow the instructions, and you have to simply make your profile a professional account. So guys, once you make your profile a professional account, after this, with the help of this professional account, you will be able to see who viewed your profile on Instagram. So guys, simply make your profile a professional account, and after this you will be able to see who viewed your Instagram profile from here. So guys, this is the way to know if someone viewed your Instagram profile. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.